Hello, Nicomatic sales team. This is Phil. Today we begin part 2 of the Crimp Interconnect system training. When we last talked about Crimp Interconnect systems, we were comparing ourselves to Tyco, Molex, FCI, talking about machines and percentage of market. Now I'd want to show you a little bit about the Nicomatic CrimpFlex machines. We have two different versions of the machine. The manual machine, the 10025, which is much like an arbor press, and the pneumatic machine, which is essentially pneumatics. There's no electronics involved with this at all. Both machines are available. We talk about their price points, and these are approximations depending on when you reach us. The manual machine with both male and female dies is a little over $4,000. The pneumatic machine, the 10500, is over $17,000, though you can do another contact with that. You can do the square male pin contact. So in addition to male and female, you can do square male pin with that. It does have the option to go without it, and you can reduce that price if necessary. Let's talk a little bit about the contacts. We have three basic types of contacts sold to the industry. The first is female, and that represents close to about 90% of the market. Those female contacts are made to match to square male pins, headers, things like that. The male pin, which is the square male pin that we've talked about, is available, and it's a little bit less than 10% of the market, and obviously that'll mate to female headers or connectors. Solder tabs represent the last portion of it, and that's made to go directly to the solder to the PCB, or could be used in certain cases for terminal block terminations. The female contacts, again, just to use ourselves in the comparison, we have comparisons with FCI, Tyco, and Molex, and it's important that you're aware of it. They do offer the same types of platings of contacts, and they are available. We can talk a little bit about them more specifically, but you can talk about the fact that Nicomatic can offer gold in various various platings, or can do in tin, the same as our competitors. Square male pins, same sort of situation. We can offer that in gold or tin plates to match all of the competitors that are out there. And these are all industry standards, 25 thousandths posts, square male pins. Solder tabs is a little bit more complicated. We have a large variations of solder tabs, both with retention features like the 10067 or the 12887, or standard where it just goes into the board. All of these are available from stock at the Nicomatic facility. We'll go into more detail as we go into part